Do you have a question that you really need an answer to, but you just don't trust your gut to get it? Well, what if you could access the universal wisdom of the angels? We're going to do that with a special angel card deck. That's today on Guide Day Friday. I woke up this way and it's awesome. To be who you want to be, you must first accept who you are. If this is your first time on one of my videos, welcome. I'm Trista Polo and I do new videos every Friday. We talk about law of attraction, crystals, energy healing, and we even get guided messages from our spirits and angels. If those kinds of topics interest you, make sure you subscribe so you never miss a video. And if you have any questions or your own personal experience with this topic, please share it in the comments. Okay, let's get started. Years ago, I was walking down the main street of Beacon, New York, and I stopped in this cute little shop. Handmade soaps, essential oils, and all kinds of spiritual goodness. When I went to check out, I saw a little box sitting at the checkout counter. The box lid was open, and here's what it said. Place your left hand on top of the cards, close your eyes, and think of a question or situation you'd like some insight to. Now pick a card and read your message from the angels. I thought, oh my gosh, I have so many questions. Which one do I ask? I asked the question and then I picked a card, and the answer I got was perfect. So I had to have this collection for myself. This is called the Healing Angel Cards, Loving Guidance from the Angels. It's by Toni Carmine Salerno, who has apparently done lots of books and oracle decks and has a great website as well. I'll put it in the description. So these Healing Angel cards are really great because it's just this small little box. You can keep it on your desk at work or at home or by your bedside or even in the bathroom. Wherever questions come up that you just need the answers to. The kinds of questions you can't Google. When you open the box, it looks like this. All the little cards just sitting there with the instructions on the open lid. So just like the lid says, you ask a question with your left hand placed over the cards. Then you pick a card and you read the answer. Let's do a real one. When will my YouTube channel hit 200? Oh, I don't have my hand on it. Okay, hold on. When will my YouTube channel hit 200 subscribers? Let's see what the answer is. Sometimes the answers make me laugh. The unknown. Do not fear the unknown. This is a time of deep exploration and transformation. Unfamiliar territory leads to new horizons. And what's so funny about that is that that's how I feel about getting to 200 subscribers. YouTube is a pretty new situation for me. I'm sort of figuring it out. I'm making it work. I'm experimenting. I'm trying new things to see how they affect my results. And this is perfect because I do sort of fear the unknown of YouTube, but unfamiliar territory leads to new horizons. I'm going to take that as, keep doing what you're doing, Trista. It's unfamiliar, you're transforming, and the more you transform, the closer you're going to get to your goal. Okay, great. So what questions do you have that the angels can help you answer? There's a link in the description of where you could get the cards, and I hope you love them. If you have this deck, share with me how you've been using it and what you love about it. And if you have other oracle card decks that you love, I'd love to hear some recommendations from you as well. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get all my new videos on Fridays. Thanks for being with me and the angels today on Guide Day Friday. Keep waking up awesome every single day. Have a great day, everybody.